Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. Check out my newest project design. Thanks to the fantastic YouTuber Scrap Your Life, she's totally 100% inspired me to use the paper line from her native country, Poland. Beautifully designed by Joanna. An amazing collection of images and colors, used watercolor. I'm just absolutely inspired. And I just cannot believe the effects that I was able to achieve using this paper. Please go check it out. I'll leave it in the link down below. Also down there you will find the full entire tutorial on my website. I'll leave my website link down in the description box below as well. Right here on the front cover you can see I have created this shaker window and I'm thrilled. I've got sequins and little rhinestones in there. I have some recollections flowers, a handmade watercolored succulent right here out of watercolor paper. And thank you so much my friend Sarah Johnson. She gave me these beautiful flowers. Don't they just go perfect? Just like you, Sarah. Perfect. And we've got this super cute camera I popped up as well as these leaves and a beautiful 49 cent market flower. I'm telling you, it does not get more beautiful than this paper pack. I am just so inspired. One of these days I will be coming out with my own paper pack because I absolutely love to draw. And as you can see, this box is just super cute and we've got a beautiful woman there on the back. I'm gonna actually turn it like this and all these are magnetized off. Now as you can see, let me go ahead and redo that for you. This whole thing comes off. Now, fully HD tutorial on how to create this, okay, beautifully. Don't you just love all the magnetic snaps? Okay, let's get into this. We could also see right here I have watercolored my own on the back side of these leaves, okay, beautiful. And this whole box just slips off, okay, and you can see that I matted on the inside there. And then there's a beautiful lady on the back with her bike. Oh my gosh, this was so fun to make. I'm gonna go ahead and set that beautiful box off to the side. I can't express how much fun I had. Right here you can see we have an awesome place for a photo, beautiful little cameras, and I put a little rhinestone on him. I went crazy with my, actually my white charcoal chalk type pencil, and, which I've had in my stash for years. And here's a cute little frame, and this little guy comes out of here. And beautiful lemons, I just absolutely love it. You could put a photo on the back or even journal there, and this just tucks right back inside. I did a bit of journaling on here directly on top of the design paper itself, and I kind of just watercolored some images on there. And then we have this beautiful girl, and this is a cool angle page. I have not seen this done yet, so I had to come up with some new ideas here, and look how beautiful, okay? And I'm actually coming out with a tutorial on how I go about designing my books. It's almost going to be like a documentary. Let me know if you are interested in that tutorial because it's coming out soon. And if it sounds like something fun, let me know in the comments. So you flip this over and you can see the back side here. I went with my journaling pen and my chalk pencil right there. Beautiful. I fussy cut this out of the page that has all these images. You can just fussy cut out. Beautiful photo space here. We got a little tab because guess what? There's a little tuck spot here. Unbelievable. That's a Stampin' Up! Tab punch, and I just created some angles there. And look how beautiful she is. I had so much fun with this. It was just incredible. So this closes up, and you flip it over, and we've got this wonderful page. These are actually little swing tabs here, and I created a couple little angles here on my flaps. And these open right up. Isn't that unreal? This is just, it was just so much fun. I can't even express it. Maybe I'm doing a good job, I'm not sure. I did this little split window page right here, which you can take the inserts out and you can see right through, which is just super fantastic. Love the hats. And again, more journaling lines. I couldn't help myself, and more chalk, okay? I went nuts. Now we have like that inverted pocket right there. Again, photo space, journaling space, you name it. having different various sizes and tags, it's so pleasing to my eyes. I love doing that. And then here's the back of it. Wonderful. Here it is again, so it repeats. Slightly different design as we go. I absolutely love coconuts, so she's got the right idea there. Oh my goodness, here we go. Here's a giant window page right here for a beautiful, yep, you guessed it, 5x7 photo. Okay, look at her looking off to the city. How beautiful is that? Front and back photo space on this. Journaling on the back if you want it. I'm in love. Here again, we have that split window page and some more journaling at the top of that. And you can see right through. Guess who's over there? Oh my goodness, the beautiful lady. Again, there she is with some ice cream. These fit perfectly in here. And I believe you can hold probably over 60 photos in this, maybe more, because we have some little surprise on the back. And look how beautiful. This is just absolutely fantastic. I put a little camera there, added some journaling lines, and again, here's those flaps and those little slide and tuck spots. Beautiful space for a 4x6 photo right there. Bingo. No cropping necessary for that. And here's the very back, and I designed these pages so they all lay flat. Here's a pouch. I have a couple photo spots there and a beautiful camera, and inside here you can hold a ton of photos. We've got an expanding pocket, okay? Don't mess with the expanding pockets, okay? They will show you up. Look at this beauty. Journaling on the back. I created a little Polaroid frame right there. Pictures on the back of these. How fantastic. It doesn't get more beautiful than this. Thank you everyone so much for watching, and remember, the tutorial website is down below and you'll see it right when you scroll down. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and email me at yourbookofmemories@gmail.com. Thank you everyone again so much for watching. It's been an absolute blast. I will be playing a tutorial trailer after I finish up, and so you can see the style in which I teach to see if it's something that you can learn from. So thanks again everyone so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next awesome little project. It'll be a quick one. See you soon. Hello my friend, and thank you again so much for joining me. Welcome to the Window Box Mini Album tutorial. The supplies I'll be using to create this awesome project will definitely be my scoreboard. I've got my ATG gun. Name brand score tape is the absolute best. Tim Holtz scissors, okay? Beautiful scissors. And then I have 8.5 in black, which is heavy duty. So now this is just absolutely amazing. Here's the first page, the lemons. And a new page right here, a beautiful woman again with her bike and the Eiffel Tower. How pretty is that? I love it. So now what we're going to actually do is start to construct the cover of our book. And I'm going to show you that there's a very stiff side of chipboard, and then there's a bendy side. You got to use your eyeballs in crafts, okay? You got to use that intuition that you have. We all have it. You're doing a fantastic job. I'm going to go ahead and label the 4 3/4 by 1 1/4 piece a D with a circle. 4 1/8 by 8 1/4. Again, long ways vertical. Tie up with the 5.5 inch side along the top. We're going to create a pocket. Again, 1/2 inch. Again, let's fold toward the bumpy side just to get that nice card maker's fold. You're going to need your bone folder for this step, and we're going to do a nice up and down even motion. So again, using that technique where I'm always on the mountain side right here, that's where I'll be sticking my tape. Here I go. Just try your best. Nice light line. Using that same technique, I'm going to actually go on the back of this and remove the backing off this and do the open attaching technique again. Score mark closest to the 1/2 inch flap is going to line up with the edge of this. And here we go. 3 pieces, 3 3/4 by 4.5. Go ahead and label these A. And I'm going to continue attaching these to the tops and the backs. The fronts and the backs of both of these pieces. It is great to wash your hands frequently. Let the rest follow through. I'm frequently washing my hands as well if I'm working with this little stamp and the ink, because you never know. Even though there's going to be a picture going over the top of this, we don't want to mark any other pages up. Press it down, Okay, go ahead and repeat that with the other side. You're going to press it. The magnet should go where it's supposed to and face down onto the back. And then you reinforce it with some score tape. See where I'm at here? And that clears it totally.